So singathi okwamanje kule inkampani osebenza kiyo solokho waqeda isikolo ume njani khona?
Angasebenzi. Ngisaflya as a student, angasebenzi hambisa ama-CVs wami kuma-different companies. Okwamanje angasebenzi, knowing ukuthi siphazamiswe yi-COVID-19, izindawo eziningi zinjani zivaliwe okwamanje, izindawo eziningi abantu baluza imisebenzi. So it's a little bit slow. So at this moment ngiya-build ama-hours ami, angasebenzi.
So ama-hours ngawa-builder kumele abe ngama-hours anganani ukuze ukuthola lapha so-right?
Around 500 depending ukuthi ufuna ukuya ngaphi. You can go kwezindawo with 250 hours bakutraine bona. You can go kwezindawo with 500. So kuya depend ukuthi wena ubhekela ukuthi uyaphi, la leyo company ifunani. Yeah.
So singathi kathesi ulama-hours amangaki kodwa sutsho vile?
Kathesi ngile around 300. Yes, around 300 something. Yes, hours. Yes, and recently, out of my love for the skies, ngihambe ngayofeel ukuthi injani na i-helicopter. So I am someone who likes ukuthi nje athi broaden my mind, ngithi nje explore, ngingabi confined in one place. So ngihambe ku-helicopter, ngafika ngayithanda. So I'm someone nje ukuthi I need to be hands-on lapho. I love the skies.
Oh yeah, so nxa uthayela khompana awubi dizzy because mina nxa ngikuplane ngavela ithi mbijana wena wenza njani ukuze ube step ukuthi vele uyabe right?
Kumele ukuthi udle kahle, kumele ulale kahle before ungabi mentally exhausted. When you are in charge, when you have your hands on the control, awuzi ukudizzy lobuyana. You are busy, you are disrupted, you are talking to the radio, you are pressing this button, you don't become dizzy. But as a passenger, yes, you become dizzy.
So ke usiya phambili ubona ngani impilo yakho iyangaphi khonapho ke Precious?
Mina, I am someone who's very optimistic. Ngiyaxolisa ukuthi ngikhulume ngesiLungu, amanye amagama
ngiyakozwa.
So ngingumuntu okuthi I have dreams, I have visions, because at this moment I am involved in charity works. I go to orphanages, I go for homeless kids, and some of the kids even I have an initiative whereby I'm going to take them, those who wish to fly and be pilots, ngihambe nabo as I build hours, ngithathe maybe abantwana abawu-2 no teacher wabo, ngifly nabo around Port Elizabeth ukuthi ngithi empower the youth as well. And ngiyenza ne-motivational speaking. In January bengihambe ePretoria to motivate the youth. Bebengibizile ukuthi ngizomotivate the youth, not only abafuna ukuba ama-pilots but in general, considering ukuthi nami I was a mother at an early age, ukuthi nami encourage abanye labo sisa sebegevile empilweni. So I also do motivational speaking as well, and my dream is to go back to Qatar because it is an airline that molded me into who I am today. So my dream is to go back to Qatar and work there as a pilot while I pursue other things. I believe I'm here to encourage and motivate and empower people. So I would love to establish a company where I am able to motivate and empower people in aviation. I have currently enrolled to be an instructor in aviation, a certified aviation instructor.
Ufake isindebele futhi.
Ukuthi ngifundise abantu ukuflya indiza, ukushayela indiza. So ngiqalile ukubala towards going there ukuthi ngifundise abantu ukushayela indiza. So ngiyazi ukuthi ngelindanga koBulawayo sizovula nathi izikolo zokuflya ngoba azikho kangaka izikolo zokuflya eZimbabwe. Sonke silana eSouth Africa ukuthi sizofundela ukuflya. Ngiyabelieve ukuthi in the future sizovula izikolo eZimbabwe. That is why I'm working towards teaching ukuze ngibe hands on. Yes.
Yeah, so singathi kathi sivele sulala icenga civil license kodwa nathi ngupilot.
Yes, I have my license as a certified pilot, not only certified commercial pilot, but I did the highest qualification, which is called ATPL, which is air transport pilot license. So it is the highest. Yebo, ngilala icence lokushayela indiza. Ngi-certified commercial pilot. Kodwa ngine icence eliphezulu kunalokho balibiza bethi ATPL, Air Transport Pilot License. Iphezulu kudlula leya commercial pilot.
Kutshoni khonokho izinga lelo itshoni.
Kufana nokuthi umuntu mayihambe ku-O level omunye wasehambe e-university. So yi-difference. Angisamelanga ngibhala amanye ama-exams, sengahle ngawabhala wonke ama-exams afunakalayo ukuthi ngingene kuma-airline.
Yes, so sekufisela inhlanhla
labayana ababhale i-commercial bazomele in future baphinde babhale amanye ama-exams. Mina sengihle ngawaceda lawo ma-exams.